We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 6-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment 8G. Let's go on in. So we'll enter, we're going to pass by the full bathroom, and then we'll see the bedrooms, and we'll finish with the kitchen and living room at the end. So as we come down the hallway, the full bathroom is on our right. Let's go on in. This is a renovated bathroom. You should pay attention to these G-style apartments. They're all slightly different in the bathrooms. This one has a really nice sliding, full standing shower, and we've got that beautiful mirror, the lighted mirror up there. There's the vanity and the toilet, and I want you to see over on this side, there's a really nice tall medicine cabinet. That's a full size that does open. So that's a really nice renovated bathroom. So that is particular to this apartment 8G with this renovated bathroom. Let's take a look through the bedrooms. We'll go on through. The first bedroom is at the end of the hall. This is room number 1. And we'll see all the bedrooms will have the same furnishings. There's a desk and chair, there's a full-size bed, we've got a bookshelf and a dresser. The rooms 1 through 5 will have a west-facing view. So you can see that there. We'll take a peek out one of the other windows as well. And all of the rooms will have a closet. You can see over here, here's a sample of a closet. And all of the rooms do have their own lock. Let's pass into room 2, which is directly across from that bathroom we were just in. We're just going back down the hallway. So again, same furnishings. Let's go on in. They're slightly different just in where the closet is located. Here it's on the right. And same view to the west. You can see, we'll still pass by another window to see the view more. You can move the furniture around however you like. We like to show you all the different rooms so you can see some samples of the different furniture layouts. Okay, going by that bathroom we have already come by, and there's the entrance. We just came at the start and we're across from room 3. So let's go on into bedroom number 3. You do choose your own bedrooms because they all have individual locks. So everybody's bedroom door has a different lock. You'll all get an apartment door tag, an apartment door key, a tag for downstairs, a bedroom door key, and a mailbox key. There's out the view of room 3, out the window of room 3. Okay, let's go on through. And we'll pass by the kitchen briefly. We'll come back there at the end. Let's go into room 4, which is next to the living room. So room 4, once again, same space, same setup. Slightly different configurations of how everybody puts their furniture. So here's room 4. Closet over on our right. The next 2 bedrooms will be a little unique. Let's go and see room 5. We're going to pass through the living room. We'll come back to that at the end. Let's go see room 5. This room is special because, let's take a look. Look at that. 2 huge windows. This is gorgeous. You have these fantastic, beautiful views. You're looking to the south, which is over here this way, and to the west. So you get great sunlight and exposure in here. So whoever likes a bright room, this will be a great choice. I really like how this bed fits into the nook over here. The closet is over here. This one does have the smallest footprint of the bedrooms in this apartment, but you'll be the brightest with the best views. So room 5, which is off the living room, does have that second window. Okay, let's go see room 6. Room 6 is next to room 5, also off the living room. This one has a slightly larger footprint, so a little bit bigger, so a little tiny bit more floor space than the other ones. You can see that on the floor plan. This one faces south. This is the only one that just has the south exposure. So you can see there, that's to the south. Same furnishings that we've seen. Again, slightly different layout. This one has a slightly bigger closet. You can see just a bit bigger than the others. Let's go see the living room. Okay, so here's the living space. You'll have the assorted seating. There's the 3-person seating. There's a 1-person chair over in the corner, the dining table and chairs, some tables. There's a low table and another end table over here. The TV also comes with, let's go take a look out the windows here. So we've got this south-facing window, and again, another of the west-facing windows. Here you can really see, we'll get over here, you can really see the lake view. So this has a beautiful view of Cayuga Lake to the north here. That's really nice to have. Let's see if we can get that enlarged a little bit. There we go. It's really pretty here, especially all the seasons. It's really nice. We're in the summer now, so it's pretty green. But in the fall, it's pretty with the leaves. Okay, so here's the living room. Let's go past by the half bathroom. A half bathroom is a toilet and sink that's especially handy to have with these larger apartments. So let's go take a look. Toilet and sink in the half bathroom, which is just off the living room. And we'll go through the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. This is a renovated kitchen. You can see we've got that nice refrigerator. There's the microwave, the sink and dishwasher. I like this refrigerator. It does have the freezer on the bottom, which is kind of cool. And nice cabinets, nice countertops. These renovated kitchens are nice. So we're in apartment 8G. This has a renovated kitchen, a renovated full bathroom, a high floor, so you get the nice views to the west mainly, and also some south views. 8G, 6 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms here at Collegetown Plaza. We're located at 111 Dryden Road. This building is in the heart of Collegetown, and from here we're just 1 block to campus.